Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ESPN Plus step by step clearly. To activate ESPN Plus, start by launching a web browser on your device. Visit the official ESPN Plus website at www.espn.com/ESPN+. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to initiate the registration process. If you already have an ESPN account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, fill out the required information to create one. Provide your email address and choose a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Continue button. Next, select your preferred subscription plan. Enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. After successful payment, you will be directed to your ESPN Plus account. On the account page, locate the Activate ESPN Plus option. You may be prompted to confirm your account and payment details. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the activation. Once activated, you can access ESPN Plus content on your device. To watch on TV, download the ESPN app from your device's App Store. Open the app and sign in using the same ESPN account credentials. Now, you're ready to enjoy streaming sports on ESPN Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.